Welcome back to Jarens TV, mga paps. So yung video natin ngayon ay tungkol sa Honda Civic 150cc. So papakita ko lang sa inyo yung kanyang specification. I-share. So start tayo sa kanyang engine type na 4-stroke, 4 valve, and then naka-liquid cooled. Meron siyang displacement na 149cc. Maximum power of 11.5 kilowatt at 9,000 rpm. Maximum torque 13.8 by 7,000 rpm. Starting system electric, transmission type manual 6-speed. So nakakintak. Suspension type front, inverted front fork. Suspension type rear, ProLink. Brake type front, hydraulic. Same lang sa kanyang rear brake. No? Tire size 100 by 80 by 17 mm. Tire size rear 130 by 710. Wheel type cast wheel base 1315 mm. Overall dimension 2031 by 796 by 1300 mm. Curb weight 140 kg. Seat height 817 mm. Ground clearance 181 mm. Fuel tank capacity 12 liter. Fuel system PGM FI. Battery type 12 volt 5 ampere. Fuel consumption 38 km per liter. So sa feature na advantage, high windscreen, tapered handlebar and cockpit design, OLED lighting system, full digital meter panel, inverted front suspension, adventure style undercrowl, powerful 149cc liquid cooled duck fender, front and rear wavy disc brake. So dalawang klase yung Honda CB, no, ang kulay matte gunpowder, black metallic at Valiant red. So yun lang mga paps yung isi-share ko sa inyo. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also paki-follow na rin sa aking Facebook page na Jerins TV. Same account. Yun, so hindi na tayo magtatagal mga papsi. Abangan nyo palagi yung aking mga panibagong video. So ayun, hanggang sa muli. Thank you mga paps, and God bless.